Now we are going to learn about exploring chemistry, mathematics, and astronomy in ancient India. In this, we are going to learn about ancient India, mathematics, chemistry, and many other things. So, ancient India has a rich history in the field of chemistry, mathematics, and astronomy, with significant contribution from several scholars and researchers. Here, I am going to discuss with you some key points to explore in each field. Ancient India made significant contribution to development of history, chemistry, mathematics, astronomy, which had a profound impact on the development of these sciences in the ancient world and beyond. Here is a detailed exploration of these contributions. In chemistry, we are going to learn about ancient India chemistry. It is known as Rasayana, focus on the study of metal, mineral, and plants. The Rasanratna Samuchaya is a significant text that deals with the extractions of metal, purification of minerals, and the preparation of medicinal drugs. Indian chemists discovered the process of distillations and developed techniques for extracting metals from ore. Rasayana. Rasayana is the ancient Indian chemist developed the concept of rasayana, which involved the use of metals and minerals to create medicines and other products. Ayurveda. This traditional system of medicines used chemical processes to develop remedies and treatment. Metals and alloy. Ancient Indian developed technicals and different techniques from extracting the metals from ores, creating alloys like bronze and steel. Dye and the pigments. So they developed techniques for creating natural dyes and pigments like indigo and vermillions. Mathematics. Vedic mathematics, the Vedas contains mathematical concepts like arithmetics, algebra, and geometry. Sulba Sutras, we already discussed. So these ancient texts contain geometrical concepts like the Pythagoras theorem and calculation of pi, etc. Aryabhat mathematics. Aryabhatta works on astronomy and mathematics both, and it's introduced the concept of zero, the decimal system, and the calculation of pi. Bhaskar mathematics. Bhaskar works on the mathematics and the astronomy, which introduced the concept of calculus and calculation of astronomical phenomena. In this, now we are going to study about astronomy. Astronomy in Vedic astronomy, the Vedas contain astronomical observations and calculations like the timing of lunar and solar eclipse. Aryabhat astronomy, Aryabhat works on the astronomy, introduced the heliocentric model, which is calculated planetary orbits and predicted lunar and solar eclipse. Bhaskar astronomy. In Bhaskar astronomy, its work on the astronomy which refined the calculation of planetary orbits and introduced the concept of astronomical instrument. So, what do you mean by astronomical observations? In ancient India, had the observations, and like the one at Ujjain, which has a hub of astronomical research and observations. Ancient Indian economy and astronomy. So it is known as a Jyotisha, and it is one of the six discipline of the Vedangana, a branch of knowledge attached to the Vedas. The Vedas and the Vedaganas contain the earliest references to the astronomical concept, which including lunar and solar systems and solar cycles. The Surya Siddhanta is a monumental treatise that details methods for calculations and having the calculating planetary positions, eclipse, and planetary movement. Aryabhatta, a renowned astrologer, proposed the concept of heliocentric solar system where the Earth spins on its axis and planets move around the sun. Now we are going to talk about mathematics. In mathematics, Indian mathematics has its roots in Silva Sutras, which are guides for the preparing Vedic sacrificials, rituals, and constructing Vedic bricks, fire altars. Aryabhat's works introduced the concept of zero, and his calculation of solar lunar eclipse were remarkably accurate. Brahmaputra work on the gravity predicts Newton's by 1,000 years, suggesting that the bodies falls through the towards the earth due to the force. And Indian mathematicians made significant contribution to number theory, algebra, and geometry. In chemistry, these contributions demonstrate the advancement in knowledge and understanding of ancient Indian scholar in various scientific fields. Their work has had a lasting impact on development of science and technology. So both in India and around the world, these contributions demonstrate the significant advancement made in chemistry, mathematics, and astronomy in ancient India, which had a lasting impact on the development of these sciences in the ancient world and beyond. Now we will go further about. Let's talk about the presentation overview. See, in this, we are going to learn about the title which we are going to discuss, that exploring ancient India contribution to the chemistry, mathematics, and astronomy. In this, we have some topics regarding astronomy, mathematics, chemistry. So astronomy, we already discussed the ancient India astrology, astronomy, heliocentric models, planetary movements, and eclipse. Mathematics is a zero number theory, algebra, geometry, and gravity. Chemistry is Rasayana, metal extractions, mineral purification, and medicine drugs. So there are some key figures. Aryabhatta is astronomy and mathematics. Brahmaputram is a mathematics and gravity. Ancient India scholars in Texas are the Rastan Ratna and Samuchaya, Surya Siddhanta, and etc. What are the takeaways of these things? Which is ancient India made significant contribution to the chemistry, mathematics, and astronomy, which is a showcasing advanced knowledge and understanding these fields. So, what do you understand by chemistry in medicines and metallurgy? In ancient India, chemistry played a significant role in medicines and metallurgy with notable application and discoveries. Medicines, Ayurveda, a traditional system of medicines which employed chemical process to prepare herbal remedies and medicines. Rasanaya is a branch of Ayurveda which is focused on the use of metal and minerals. Indian chemists developed techniques for extracting active ingredients from the plants and minerals. Chakra Samhita is a foundation Ayurvedic text which describe the use of chemical process for preparing medicines. Metallurgy is ancient Indian development, advanced metallurgical techniques, including extractions, purification, and alloying. The iron pillar of Delhi, built around 400 CE, demonstrate the Indian metallurgist expertise in extracting the working with iron. Indian metallurgists developed the techniques from existing matter from ores such as copper, bronze, and tin. The Rastan Ratna Samuchaya, a medieval texts which describe the use of chemical processes for extracting the metals and preparing alloys. Some notable chemical processes and techniques developed in ancient India, which includes distillations, calcinations, solidifications, sublimations, and crystallizations. So these advancements in chemistry had a significant impact on development of medicines, metallurgy in the ancient India, and paved the way for future discoveries and innovations. So what do you mean by mathematics in ancient India? Mathematics in ancient India involved the following key milestones and discoveries. Vedic numbers, words, and geometry. Sanskrit texts contain the earliest references to the mathematical subject, which including number, words, and Vedas. Indian numerals and the decimal place value system. The decimal number system was first recorded in Indian mathematics, with the oldest surviving evidence of the date from the 3rd century CE. Sulba Sutras is a list rules for the constructions of sacrifice fire altars, which led to more sophisticated geometrical constructions. Pilangana is a 300 BCE to 200 BCE is a music theorist who authored the Chandra Shastra, a Sanskrit treatise to Proto-C that contains the basic ideas of Fibonacci numbers. Jain mathematics is a 400 BCE to 200 CE. Jain mathematicians composed texts on mathematical topics that were crucial links between the mathematics of the Vedas and that of the classical period of the Indian mathematics. So, what do you mean by astronomy discoveries? So, here are some of the scientific discoveries and the contribution of ancient Indian astronomy. See, in this, Indian astronomers calculated the solar year at 366 days, with the year divided into 12 months of the each day plus additional adjustments. Indian astronomers used the stars and planets to create astrological charts and read omens, developing sophisticated and mathematical model and many integrating theories. Yajnavalkya proposed a heliocentric universe and they measured the distance of the sun from the earth and distance of the moon from the earth. Aryabhatta proposed that the idea the moon reflect the light of the sun and the earth rotate rather the sky. Bahram Mishra is proposed that there must be some type of attractive forces keeping objects stationary. Brahmaputra calculated the circumferences of the Earth, which is 36,000 kilometers, were close to the actual figure. Now we will going to discuss about chemistry in medicines and molecularly. So in ancient India, chemistry was applied in medicines and molecularly leading to the significant discoveries and innovations. In medicines, Ayurveda is a traditional system of medicines, use chemical processes to prepare herbal remedies and medicines. Rasayana is a branch of Ayurveda which focused on the use of metals and minerals in medicines. In Indian chemists, it's developed techniques for the extracting active ingredients from plants and minerals. Chakra Samhita is a foundational Ayurvedic text which describe the use of chemical processes for preparing medicines. Metallurgy is the ancient India which developed advancement metallurgy techniques including extractions, purification, and alloying. The Iron Pillar of Delhi, built around 400 CE, demonstrate Indian metallurgy's expertise in extracting and working with iron. Indian metallurgists developed the techniques for extracting metal from ores such as copper, bronze, and tin. The Ratna Samuchaya is a medieval text which describes the use of chemical processes for extracting metals and preparing alloy. So some notable chemical processes and techniques which develop in ancient India, which is distillations, calcinations, solidifications, sublimations, and crystallizations. So these advancements in the chemistry had a significant impact on the development of medicines and metallurgy in ancient India and paved the way for future discoveries and innovations. So what do you mean by pioneers of chemistry? Here are some of the pioneers in the field of chemistry from India, which is Prafulla Chandra Ray. He is widely known as the father of Indian chemistry. He established the first modern Indian research school in chemistry and founded Bengal Chemical and Perpetual Parachemicals India, but with first parametricals company. C.N.R. Rao. He was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 2014 for his immense contribution to the field of chemistry. Bantakeshwar Raman Radhakrishnan, he is an Indian-born psychiatrist and a molecular biologist who was awarded the 2009 Nobel Prize for Chemistry for his work and reversible structure. Raghunath Anant Mahaleshwar. He is renowned chemist and he is known for his immense contribution to the field of chemistry. So, what is the impact of medicine? See, here are some key contribution of ancient India is the field of medicines. In this, Ayurveda is a system of traditional medicines that use chemical processes to prepare herbal remedies and medicines. In this, Rasayana is a branch of Ayurveda which is focused on the use of the metal and mineral in medicine. Shutra is an ancient Indian physician and surgeon, wrote the Shutra Samhita In 6th century BCE, a treatise on medicines, surgery that covers topics such as anatomy, surgical instruments, and various surgical procedure. The Shutra Samhita contains detailed descriptions of various plastic surgery procedures, including reconstructions of the nose, rhinoplasty, repair of torn earlobes, etc. Ancient Indian surgeons were skilled in setting fracture bones and treatment of dislocations. The Shutra Samhita outlines the various methods of bone settings, including the use of splints and braces. The Shutra Samhita mentioned the use of wine and other substances to induce a state of the anesthesia during surgery. So, what is the impact on the metallurgy? So, ancient India made a significant contribution to the metallurgy with notable impact on extractions and purification of method and metals. It's developed the techniques for extracting the metal from ore such as copper, bronze, and tin, which alloying creating alloys like brass, copper, zinc, and bronze means copper and tin used in the tools in weapon and art. Iron working is the developed techniques for extracting iron from ore and creating high carbon steel used in weapons and tools. Metallurgical tools are equipped by designing and use different and various tools such as crucibles, furnaces, and bellows to facilitate the metalworking processes. Metalworking techniques which develop skills in casting, forging, and soldering, and having having the metal working and using the metal object like vessels, weapons, and ornaments in metal surgical texts, which wrote texts like Rasratna Samuchaya that describes the metallurgical processes and techniques. So these advancements in the metallurgy had a significant impact of various industries, which includes tool making, weaponry, art and architectures, trade and commerce, technology and innovation. So ancient India's contribution to the metallurgy played a crucial role in shaping the course of humanization and civilizations. Now we will go further about chemistry in ancient Indian medicines. So there are varieties of chemistry in Asian Indian medicines, which is Ayurveda. So here are some ways in which chemistry was used in ancient Indian medicines. So first, we are just going to discuss about Ayurvedic theories. Poised that body is made up of five elements, which is earth, water, fire, air, and ether. So the body three humors, which is doshas, biles, pitra, fangams means kapha, and wind with vata, which were produced by action of the blood and body upon food. Ayurvedic practitioners use nutrition, herbalisms, exercise, yoga, and meditation to treat patients. Ayurvedic medicines determines the healthy cycle of sleep, work, diet, exercise, yoga, and meditations. Chemistry was used in Ayurvedic detoxification treatments, which is panchkarma, like emesis, which is vomiting, anal fungus, and detoxifications, enema medications through nasal passage of an oil enema, which is a chemistry was also used in pre-panchakarma procedure like oilizations and ontaining with oil and see steam therapy or sun therapy. Now we are just going to discuss about Ayurveda. In this is a holistic system of medicines, empathizing the balance and harmony. Ayurveda is a system of traditional medicines that originated in ancient India over 3,000 years ago. The term Ayurveda is derived from the Sanskrit word Ayur meaning life and Veda meaning science or knowledge. So Ayurveda is based on the belief that the natural world, including the human body, is composed of five elements: earth, water, fire, and ether. It also believes in the concept of three humors and doshas, vata, pritra, and kapha, which is responsible for maintaining physical and mental health. Ayurvedic practices includes diet, nutrition, herbal remedies, yoga, and meditations, panchakarma, detoxifications of regenerations, therapy, massage and spa treatment, astrology and spiritual practices. So Ayurveda aims to balance the body, mind, and spirit to promote overall health and well-being. So some key principle of Ayurveda includes the interconnectedness of all the living things, the importance of balance and harmony in the body and mind, the use of natural remedies and therapies, the focus on prevention rather than cure, the recognition of the individual unique constitution, prakriti, and the life forces doshas.